What is going on, guys? It's Justin for the J Media back with another video. So today this video is to show you guys we recently got some new car parts. We actually got parts for the Honda S2000 as well as my daily driver RCF. So yeah, pretty excited. I haven't bought car parts for a little while, so it's always exciting when I get car parts, and one of them is a rare discontinued JDM part, so I'm super excited. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you guys what we got. Alright, so this very first piece here, this is for the RCF. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what we have in here. Alright, so this is what we have here. Any guesses what we might be having here? These are actually OEM Lexus parts. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you guys what we have in this bag. Alright, so here it is. They are OEM Lexus floor mats. So I picked them off used. When I bought my RCF, they actually came with OEM floor mats, but the WeatherTech rubber ones. Now, kind of like these look a little bit better, honestly, even though the WeatherTech one is great and more durable for like muddy shoes and all that. But always thought this carpet look has a more classy look to it, which suits the RCF a little bit better. Picked this off RCF owner. Like I said, it is used, so not mint, but pretty good condition. Has a Lexus badge, says Lexus RCF here, little metal plate, passenger side, driver side, and the rears. So yeah, picked it off local RCF owner from a RCF Facebook page. $100 shipped to me, not bad at all. Okay, so the very next part that we have for my S2000 is in this janky looking Amazon box, but don't be fooled. Right inside this box is a rare discontinued JDM part that I've been trying to source for a few years, and I am glad that I finally found one at a pretty good price. So without further ado, this is new to me, an ARC part. You guys know I'm a sucker for ARC parts. So what this is here is the battery piece for the S2000. So your battery goes right here. It pretty much is just a metal block off plate, keeping the engine bay look a little bit nicer. So your battery goes right here, and then this blocks everything else like the fuse box and all that out. This is not in the mintiest condition, but again, ARC parts have been long discontinued. So what that means is if you do find them, well, firstly, it's hard to find. Secondly, if you do find them, it is what it is, right? So these does have a little bit of burn marks here. Previous owner said the battery terminal accidentally burned off some of the metal pieces. But yeah, I think with some nice metal polishing compound, this should look nice and shiny. And fun fact, there have been quite a few people who've been trying to source pieces like these. So the S2000, they have a right-hand drive and left-hand drive version. This is for the left-hand drive. And you know, this piece, from what I've heard, haven't really seen one around for sale since like 2021. So it's been about 3 years. And I have another S2000 buddy who he's able to source rare JDM parts of the S2000. He goes by Pain Speed on Instagram. He actually did reach out to me. I didn't get this from him, but he did reach out to me asking if I wanted to find this for my S2000. He was able to find a mint one, which means perfect condition. But I was able to source this at pretty much half the price that he told me he was going to let the other one go for. So even though it's not in the mintiest condition, I think for paying 50% less, I think I got a pretty good deal. So yeah, as you guys can tell, I am slowly piecing together the ARC catalog for the S2000. Kind of the same way I did with my Mitsubishi Lancer turbo build. I love ARC parts. I love rare JDM parts that are hard to find. And these parts actually do go up in value. And what I mean is, way back, I'm not sure how much these were when they first came out brand new in production. If I had to guess, maybe $100, $200. What I was told is these things have pretty much went up 10 times in value since it's been discontinued for so many years, which is pretty insane. So yes, I am paying more than what they used to be when they were in production, but I think I got a pretty good deal, which means that in the future, if for whatever reason I decide to let it go, I probably will be able to make some money off the parts because they are discontinued and really rare. So yeah, it's almost like an investment, right? So that's how I justify my rare JDM parts purchases. And since I'm here in the garage, might as well show you guys the ARC parts I have on both this car and this car. We'll be having a separate video doing the install of the ARC piece on the S2000, but for right now, on my Mitsubishi Lancer show build, like I said, a bunch of ARC parts as well. Anything from the ARC intake box to ARC radiator cap, ARC blow-off valve pipe, ARC blow-off valve. This one is super rare and hard to source. ARC upper intercooler piping, and then we also have the ARC intercooler. So I do have ARC oil caps, but I actually have them listed up for sale. They aren't on the car. And then if you come around over here and check out the S2000, this build also does have quite a few ARC parts. And we do have an ARC shift plate over here in the interior. Let's pop the hood and see what else we have here. ARC intake box, ARC radiator plate, ARC spark plug cover. I think that's about it. I do, like I said, have ARC oil caps that I can put on as well. So that piece that I just got, whenever we install it, it's going to go right over there. It's going to block off that fuse box as well as that little AC line. It's going to kind of go like that and give it a nice and clean look. I think it will kind of go together with this radiator plate as well. So yeah, nice little ARC add-on. So hope you guys like it. Like I say, stay tuned for the install. We'll be having a separate install for that. Honestly, before I install it, I probably will get to polishing it down. I did purchase a metal polisher. Let me show you guys. There are a lot of different brands out there for metal polishers, but I got one from Chemical Guys. This is the heavy metal polish that can be used on chrome, stainless steel, and aluminum. So I think this will give it a nice shine before we install it. So pretty easy. All you gotta do is pretty much put some of this on a buffer, or if you don't have a buffer, you can just put it on a pad and just apply it. So whenever we get to installing it, we'll go ahead and polish it down real quick as well. So I hope you guys stayed to the really end of the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.